Hello everyone. So let's talk a topic that is peacefulness. What is the significance of the peacefulness and how a person will become peace in his entire life? So if you really expecting happiness, if you really expecting calm in your life, then you should know how to become peace. Unless you become peace, unless you bring peacefulness in your mind, you cannot become happy. Do you think without peace, have you ever thought that you will become happy? No. If your mind is moving here and there, if you are not onto the one particularly stop, your mind is moving, then you cannot become happy. So first of all, we should bring peacefulness to our mind, then only we will become happy. So how we'll attain this peacefulness in terms of our life, in terms of having all those things, in terms of getting the calmness, in terms of getting happiness, how you will bring that peacefulness. So let us analyze. So if your mind is moving, when you get up early in the morning, sometimes you see that your mind is calm, but when the time starts, when the time progresses, then what happened? You are addicted with different works, you are just associated with many works, then slowly eventually you will feel that your calmness has moved away. So if you'll get up in the morning and you start doing some meditation, start doing some yoga, start doing some kind of exercise, so just do it one day and just test. So your entire day will be energetic. You will have that energy, excitement and enthusiasm in your life. Throughout the day you will feeling good. Throughout the day you will be feeling energized. How it happens, how it is going to impact your life because of this peacefulness. When we get up early in the morning, when you do something for ourselves, when you try to introspect, when I try to discover to ourselves, then what happened? You will get that peacefulness. You will bring that peacefulness in your life. Whoever will be surrounding to you, they will also get that peace. They will feel that positivity. So this peacefulness will not come one day. It will take many days, many months after practice. So most important thing that your devotional practice. Your devotional practice will give you peace. Your devotional practice makes you a peace. So do whatever you have, anything else, you have to just do kind of devotional practice. Bring this devotional service, bring some kind of this stop in your life in order to become happy. Hope you can connect with me. So if you wanted to become peaceful, definitely you will get that happiness in your life. So that's what you have to bring all of this positivity in your mind, in your life, in order to become happy, in order to become prosperous, in order to achieve all those things in your life. So I already told how you'll be getting that peacefulness. Always do something. You can say multiple things are coming, but if you will really do one thing at one time, then what happens? You can develop your focus, you can develop your concentration, and of course you will get that peace. Once you will have that peace, then you will get all those happiness, positivity, and you will have that energy to get or to do many things in your life. So thank you very much for watching this. We'll again bring up with new videos. Till then, goodbye, cheers.